y'all gotta see this. I had an opportunity to sit down with Bill and Miranda, customers of ours for over 20 years, our first ever actual paying customers. Take a look at a few things I had to say about Riley Auto Repair.
What was a big contribution of why you always came back to see us? Why us?
You fixed it right.
Fixed it right?
First time, fixed it right, first time, and it was the personality of your father and your office staff is Tina and Sam, and you, always a big smile, always a big greeting.
Yeah.
Straight shooters, no baloney, just what's wrong, here we can fix it, how much, estimates were always exactly on target. What's not to like?
Riley Auto Repair, ice cold.